The Neemrana Hotels is an Indian organization noted for restoring ruins and turning them into heritage hotels. History. Neemrana Hotels Company was established in 1991 by Aman Nath and Francis Wachiurg. Aman Nath was a postgraduate in medieval Indian history from Delhi University, and Francis Wachiurg a former French diplomat and resident of India since 1969, and they were researching wall frescoes for writing the painted frescoes of Shekhawati when they encountered the 15th-century Neemrana fort on the Aravalli range in Rajasthan. The fort was built by local chieftain Neemrana Mio and had been a ruin for 40 years. They bought the fort for Rs 700,000 in 1986 and restored it, opening as a hotel in 1991 with 12 rooms. Following this restoration, the hotel has been used as the venue for the International Festival of Indian Literature in 2002, for Mastermind India, and for several Indian weddings. Restoration process. The modifications made to the ruins to retain a consistent design include basic amenities like plumbing and air conditioning hidden from view, and designing 19th-century rooms in the colonial style they call their hotels non-hotels to emphasize this design. The buildings are restored in phases, with revenue from guests of restored parts being used to restore the rest. Along with their practice of using local artisans and materials, this keeps costs low, and their hotels break even in 2 to 3 years, rather than the industry average of 7 to 8. Heritage properties. 15th-century Neemrana Fort was the first property acquired by Neemrana Hotels in 1991, which they gradually restored. Subsequent to their success in restoration of heritage property, the Punjab government transferred the Baradari Palace in Patiala to them as a public-private partnership, and the Rajasthan government leased them the Tijari Fort. Similarly, the Patadi Palace of Mansur Ali Khan Patadi and Sharmila Tagore was leased to them, and Thakur Manjol Singh leased them the 14th-century hill fort Kasroli in Alwar. The Tijari Fort at Alwar is not a ruin, but a building that had been left unfinished in 1845 because of war. The Neemrana Hotels has undertaken completion. Most of their projects have been initiated by the owners of the buildings approaching them, and they have over 2 potential projects on hand. In 2011, Neemrana Hotels had 25 properties in 17 locations and crossed superscript 1,300 million. US $4.2 million in revenue. Examples. Ruins and forts restored by them and turned into hotels include 14th century Hill Fort Kasroli, Alwar, Rajasthan. 15th century Neemrana Fort Palace, Delhi Jaipur Highway, Shekhawati, Rajasthan. 17th century The Tower House, Cochin, Kerala. 17th century The Bungalow on the Beach, Tharangambadi, Tamil Nadu. 17th century Tihara Fort Palace, Alwar, Rajasthan. 19th century The Wallwood Garden, Coonoor, Tamil Nadu. 19th century The Baradari Palace, Patiala, Punjab. 19th century The Ramgarh Bungalows, Ramgarh Kumayan Hills, Uttarakhand. 20th century Piramal Haveli, Bagar, Shekhawati, Rajasthan. 21st century The Glass House on the Ganges, Rishikesh, Uttarakhand, belonging to the Maharaja of Tari Garhwal. Additional business streams. The company also manufactures jam from the fruit orchards in Ramgarh and tea from the plantations in Coonoor and coffee from Coorg. It also runs a Neemrana Music Foundation. The clientele, which initially consisted mostly of foreign tourists, is now, as of 2010, 70% Indian. Books. Books published as part of the project include The Painted Frescoes of Shekhawati, Jaipur, The Last Destination, Arts and Crafts of Rajasthan. See also. References. External links. Official site. Talk by Aman Nath at TEDx.